In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reverse audio in CapCut. This is a fun effect that can add a unique twist to your videos. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut on your device. Then, tap on the project button to begin. You'll be prompted to add your video clips or audio. To reverse audio, you can either add an existing audio file or record a new one. Simply to record it, tap on audio, swipe and tap on audio. Hello. Now once you've added your audio, tap on it to select it. This will open up the editing options for that audio track. Now look for the option that says reverse. So here you can simply find a reverse button, tap on it and CapCut will instantly reverse your audio clip. After reversing the audio, make sure to preview it. Hit the play button to see how it sounds with your video. If you need to adjust the timing or add any effects, feel free to do so. You can drag the audio clip to align it perfectly with your visuals, like this. And that's it, you've successfully reversed audio in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.